Here's another pedal that had a problem that we had to fix. This one's been modified. You can see a mod there. When I took it apart, first thing I do is I look for clues. I'm like, well, maybe not quite like Inspector Gadget, but in some ways I am like Inspector Gadget. I kind of blow things up sometimes more than I fix them. You gotta be like Sherlock Holmes though. First thing you do is you just look. Is there any burn marks? Are there any indications of anything that was wrong in here, like any metal dust or something like that? And then I look to the other side of the circuit board, and in here I just look and just see what I can find. And in this one I've already replaced the part, but I happen to notice that one of the resistors was brown. They're not supposed to be brown. It looked charred, and sure enough it was this one, R35. I replaced it with a 110 ohm resistor here, but it was charred slightly, and so I desoldered it, put a new one in, and it works. Pedal works great now. So you just have to sometimes pay attention, and lo and behold, it is one of the resistors that leads straight from the power supply. So someone probably hooked up a positive center power supply. It says here negative center, and that might be why it got damaged. I don't know, but that resistor was blown out, and now the pedal works just fine.